Hello, I'm Cardmaster123. Today I'll be showing you a trick that is so simple, yet so devious. So, subscribe, because I know you guys want to learn more card tricks. So if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe so you guys will learn more card tricks. But let's get started. Alright, so we have our prediction here. Not going to touch it, just going to keep the card box on it. And we have a shuffle deck. You can have the spectator shuffle the deck just in case they don't trust you with that. And how this is going to work is in pairs, we're just going to take two cards and we're going to flip them over. Now, if they are two black cards, we're going to put them in the black card pile. If they're two mixed cards, like black and red, we're going to put them in the mixed pile, I guess. And if they're two red cards, we'll put them in the red pile. So we're going to just do this. We're going to go through the entire deck doing this. You can even do from the bottom as long as you do them in pairs. You can also go from the middle. So we're just putting these in pairs, in piles. We are just putting the pairs in piles, just like that. Alright, so if we square up the piles, we don't need the mixed pile, so we'll just put that to the side. And then if we count how many cards are in each pile, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 cards in the red pile. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 cards in the black pile. So if we go to our prediction says there will be 4 more red cards. And there are 4 more red cards than black cards. Alright, I'm sure after every magician does this really cool card trick, the spectator will say, "Do it again." And like one of the number one things that in the magician's rule book or whatever, that you never do a card trick twice. But today we're gonna break that rule. So I'm just gonna go over here and write a new prediction, and we will put that right over here. And I'm just gonna take the cards out of the deck and put the box back where it was. And already the spectator knows how the trick is done. So you're going to pass the cards over to the spectator and they're going to do it. So they're going to shuffle and they're just going to randomly go through. So black, mixed, red. Alright, same thing. You can toss that. And we will count the red cards. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 red cards. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 black cards. So that means there are 6 more red cards. So if we go to our prediction, it says there will be 6 more red cards. So both times the predictions were right. Alright guys, this is a really cool trick. because this really requires no setup. It's impromptu. You can do it whenever, wherever, as long as you have like paper for prediction. So you just want to make sure you have 52 cards. Take out the jokers, and then you just want to take out, before you start, take out 4 cards. 2, 3, 4. And since that was a joker, take out another one. So you want to take out 4 cards. And then have your prediction ready that says there will be 4 more red cards. And then place that to the side. Alright, so now what you want to do is just, this is really a free choice. Have the spectator shuffle and just go through. As long as they do it, always do it in pairs. You don't want them to do like down and then like in like that. Like you always have to take them out in pairs. So you just put them in their piles. And for some reason this always works. Some mathematical trick that there will always be 4 more red cards than black cards. And then take the mix pile out and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And yeah. So then if they say do it again, or you can ask, you want to see it again, you're going to squirt the cards, put them in the box. You're going to keep, you want the black cards on the bottom. And here's why. So you're going, like, I guess you're like packing up, ending the trick. When you close the box to do it again, you want to take 2 black cards and put them in the bottom, so the flat thingy is over them. So then when you go to take them out, you don't take those 2 cards out. And then that's how it'll work for there will be 6 more. So then you just go scribble out the 4 and write 6. Do the same thing. Have the spectator do it instead, since they know how to do the trick. And they will be amazed. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already.